And from dating trends, let's talk about love. What does love feel like to you? The iconic song by Robert Palmer called Addicted to Love says, you know you're gonna have to face it. You're addicted to love. Whether or not you find yourself addicted to love, here's a question. What does love feel like to you? Does it feel like an addiction? And what really goes on inside your brain when you're in love? Well, there is evidence, thanks to brain scans, that might explain to you why love can feel like an addiction. Brain scans of young lovers have reportedly suggested that first phases of a romance have features overlapping with substance cravings. Researchers at Kyoto University reportedly studied the brains of 51 young men who were in the early stages of a romantic relationship. What did they find? Well, that seeing or expecting to see a romantic partner activated some of the brain regions involved in rewards, cravings, and addiction. The research suggests that in the early stages of romance, the brain treats a romantic partner as a uniquely rewarding person and activates the neural systems involved in craving and motivation, which help explains why falling in love can sometimes feel a bit like an addiction. Basically, two brains area were especially active when participants anticipated seeing their romantic partner, part of the brain's reward system. Well, this may explain why people strongly want to spend time with someone they are falling in love with. Also, a region linked to urges, cravings, and awareness of internal feelings. Activity in this area was associated with more intrusive thoughts about a partner. Well, this may explain why people in early love often can't stop thinking about the other person. Basically, the study suggests that romantic infatuation and addiction may use some of the same brain circuits, which helps explain why early love can feel intense, obsessive, or consuming. However, the researchers are not saying that love is a substance addiction. The findings provide a biological explanation for common experiences like constantly thinking about someone new, feeling a strong desire to be near them, finding it difficult to focus on other things, and so on and so forth. Important to point out here is that the study only looked at young men in new heterosexual relationships, so the results may not apply equally to women, older adults, or people in different kinds of relationships. So the next time you find yourself feeling like love is feeling like an addiction, you know you are not the only one, and this is what might be happening inside your brain.